Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Accounts Tips. This is my 9th video related with the measures of central tendency. Today I am going to take the class related with the topic median, measures of central tendency, median. My all previous videos that we were discussed about measures of central tendency measures of central tendency mean. This video onwards I am going to discuss the classes related with the measures of central tendency median. So median is a centrally located value of a series, just like a mean. This median also we are using for measuring the central value of a series. That means this particular series, if you take that divided into two portions, the half of the values representing above and the other half below it, then it is indicated by M. This median we indicated by M. Then first step in this, all items of a series are arranged in either the ascending order or descending order. It is very important point. That means if we are not arranging the series into ascending or descending order, then we are not getting the correct value of median. So first and important step is the series we arrange in either the ascending or descending order. Then second step, add up the number of items indicated by n. This add up the number of items indicated by n. Then this find out the median items as n plus 1 by 2th item. N means number of items, that number of items plus 1 divided by 2. That item representing the median item. Then m is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Then in this median also we have three types of series for calculation. First one is individual series, second one is discrete series, and third one is frequency distribution series. In the previous videos I discussed what is mean by this individual, discrete and frequency distribution series. So today we are going to discuss that the problem related with individual series. That means how we can calculate median in the case of individual series. So let's discuss this question. In the following series, show marks in economics of 11 students of class 11th. Find the median marks. So these are the marks in economics of 11 students of class 11th. From this series we have to find out the median mark, that is central mark or a middle mark. Then that means average. So first the main and important step is we arrange this data into ascending or descending order. Here I am going to write this series into an ascending order. Ascending order, the least value, the starting value 10, next one is 11, then next 15, next 17, next value 20, then 21, next value 32, again 32 there, so 32, then next 33, then 35, and last value is 41. So all this data we arranged into ascending order, ascending or descending order. Then you can arrange this data. So the next step is write the equation. Equation we know m is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2th item. N plus 1 by 2th item. So size of n plus 1 by 2. Here it is an individual series. So in the case of an individual series, n is equal to number of items. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then n is equal to 11. The number of items 11. Then equation m is equal to size of 11 plus 1 by tooth item representing that median. 11 plus 1 by 2, that means 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 12 divided by 2, that is 6th item. M is equal to size of 6th item. Size of 6th item is equal to 6th item representing which value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6th item representing this value. So M is equal to 21. So 6th item, answer is not 6. M representing which size, that is median size, is equal to 6. Then 6th item representing which value, that is 21. So 21 mark is the average mark of this particular examination conducted in class 11th. So this is the way to calculate that median in the case of an individual series. Two important things you have to consider or remember at the time of doing this problem. First and most important step is this series you arrange into ascending or descending order, because this series, this marks given in this question, these are not in an arranged way. So our foremost important factor is to arrange these values into an ascending or descending order. Then here n is equal to number of items. That means this is an individual series. In the case of an individual series, the frequencies are not given. So this individual series number we considered as n. Then this is the equation. M is equal to size of n plus 1 by tooth item. This is an item representing the median. So this is not the median value. That item which representing the median class, that one is this m. So this 6th item representing in this question, in this answer. So 6th item means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th item representing 21. So median is equal to 21. I hope you understood this calculation. I will come with more videos related with this measures of central tendency median. Until then, bye.